Hello, my name is Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about skincare, self-care, and I am sharing with you a get unready with me. But you know what time it is. Make sure you subscribe to this video, like and comment down below. I am so close to my 500 subscriber goal. I'm hoping to reach that goal by the end of February, and when I reach 500 subscribers, I am definitely going to do a giveaway for you guys. So definitely subscribe because it would be so amazing and mean so much to me that you do. If you're thinking, hey Samantha, why is your hair different from the majority of the video? Or hey Samantha, why is your environment different? I actually filmed the Get Unready With Me portion a couple of weeks ago, so I've been actually using these products for about a month now, and I also changed my hair. She's giving natural, she's giving curl fest, she's giving young, she's giving youthful. So that's why there's a little bit of a difference between my environment and my hair currently. But without further ado, let's just get into the video, and here is my Get Unready With Me. Okay, so I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way, and I mean, I'm gonna take it off tonight, I think, but I'm just gonna tie it up just in case I decide not to take it off. You know, we be changing our minds and stuff. Okay, so I didn't bring any Q-tips in here, so I'm gonna just take off my lashes with a little bit of water. And this is what I use to remove my makeup. The FENTY Skin Total Cleanser says that it is a remove it all cleanser, so it also is supposed to help remove your makeup as well without stripping or drying. They say that it's a daily cleanser and makeup remover in one, but I personally like to use something like this Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. I like this, so I'm gonna just do what I typically do with my makeup because I'm not looking for something to replace my makeup remover. I'm just looking for a cleanser, so I'm okay with it just being a cleanser. So now I'm gonna use the FENTY Skin. I love the snap that it has because you're not taking off a cap and then putting it away, like having to find the cap. You just turn it. And I'm only going to use about that much. Honestly, you can use less than that. I've used the product before and a little goes a long way. I'm going to rub it in my hands. I absolutely love how this feels on the skin because you can kind of just feel, it feels like it's moisturizing. It feels like it's not stripping the skin of all of its natural oils. It just glides over the skin really nicely, and then when you wash it off, your skin is clean. I like that. I'm gonna wet my hands and work with the rest of the product that's on my hand. This is why I say you don't have to use a lot, because you can just keep wetting your hands and working the product. It even got off my mascara. That blows me every time. That's crazy. This is what my skin looks like. Very clean. I have this huge pimple. Oh my goodness. And my skin feels refreshed. It feels, dare I say, moisturized. So I'm gonna bring you guys back into my filming room and I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare. So I just want to show you guys the glow. The glow. I don't know, it looks so good. Like, I like how glowy my skin looks after using that. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna bring you guys into my studio now. Okay, so I'm gonna take what is this? I'm using Fenty Fat Water. This is described to be a pore refining toner serum. It's supposed to reduce the look of dark spots, it's supposed to even the skin tone, and it's supposed to fight shine without stripping the skin. It has a very thick consistency, as you can see. I love this. I just love how it glides over the skin. And look at that glow. It's like if I wasn't glowy before, I'm glowy now. And I was glowy before after I washed my face, but I'm definitely glowy now. I'm gonna let that sink into the skin. It's a little sticky, just a tiny bit sticky, but I just let that sink into the skin for about 15 seconds. And while I wait for that, I'm gonna go and find my serum. So it's still a little sticky. I'll tell you about my serum. I'm using the G Petal Milk Rejuvenating Face Serum. I'm just gonna use 3 pumps. I mean, I usually only use 2, but I'm gonna use 3 today. It has 250 milligrams of CBD. It has hyaluronic acid. It has vitamins B3 and C. And it is basically going to get into those fine lines and wrinkles and help just rejuvenate the skin. I have a code for GHE if anyone is interested in this product or any of their products. They're really good. I really love them. And yeah, so I'll put everything down below. I'm gonna let that sink into the skin as well. Look at my skin. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks really good. If I may say so myself, it looks good. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna use my Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. I'm gonna use about that much. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that under the eye and just a little on top of my lid. Okay, and that's that on that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with, what is this called? I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer. I don't remember what it's called. I'm gonna put it down below. It does have SPF in it, and it's nighttime, but it's the one that I bought, so it is what it is. So I'm just gonna use 2 pumps. I love how these products smell. They smell really good. They have I don't know if it's floral, just like a nice like fragrant smell. But look at my skin, guys. I just love how this system works. It just looks so good on the skin. And my skin feels so nice as well. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in and put on my Conti Liquid Gold. So it has some gold specks. You probably can't see that, but I'm just gonna go in and press that into the skin. It is a luxury glow oil. I believe I have a coupon code for them as well. If I do, I'll leave it down below. I'm just gonna use about 4 drops. I spilled half of this like on my floor, on my wood floor. That's that on that. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead. I like to use the GHE Reverie Evening Herbal Supplement. It is a CBD oil that has melatonin in it. I'm just going to add about 0.5 milliliters right under my tongue. It helps me sleep. It helps me relax before I go to bed. Yep, so I let that sit for about 15 seconds underneath my tongue. And now we're good. I'm gonna come back and just, you know, give a general pretty much wrap up and review about how I feel about these products. I think you guys know how I feel about the products. But I'm gonna come back when I don't look like this. So we're back, and as you can tell, I was pretty exhausted that day. It was a full day of work and filming and content creating. So I was pretty tired, but the whole skincare and like just unwinding portion of that day really did help me to feel a little bit more relaxed and ready for bed. And so I'm just going to go over and just give you a general idea of like what I feel about all of the products that I've used. So I'm going to start with the FENTY Skin Total Cleanser. I actually really like this for a lot of the reasons that I've already mentioned in the video. The Total Cleanser is very hydrating. It is moisturizing on the skin. It doesn't strip your skin, but it does leave your skin feeling really clean. I love how it lathers. You don't have to use a lot of product when you're using this, and I love that you can just continue to wash or wet your hands and lather this up and continue to clean your skin. If you're like me, you like to clean your skin for at least 60 seconds. No less. And so I really love how this functions, and right after your skin is glowing, you're glowing right after using this. And it also took off all of my makeup, so I didn't have to go in 2 or 3 times cleansing my skin with this product. It took everything off. I'm not too sure if it's going to take off your makeup completely without using something initially. I personally just like the product that I used initially that's just been in my skincare for over 2 years now. So I love pairing the Clean at Zero and FENTY Skin's Total Cleanser, and it just works out for me. So you can use your judgment on whether you want to use this as a makeup remover as well. The Fat Water Toner is another one of my favorites from FENTY Skin. It is absolutely so nice on the skin. I just love how it feels. It sits and it absorbs into the skin and it leaves your skin glowing. I also love the texture. I typically use Pixie toner, and if you know Pixie toner, it's water. It's literally liquid, so it can be a little tough getting the toner on. I don't like to use cotton swabs or anything like that, so I kind of pour this toner into my hand and get it on the skin. So the fact that this has more of a texture to it, that it has more of a body, actually helps with the application as well. One thing that I did notice about the toner was that it did leave a sticky residue on the skin, but for me personally, it disappeared right after maybe 15 seconds of having the toner on your skin. The toner completely absorbed into your skin and it was perfectly fine. So initially you might feel a sticky residence on your skin, but that will go away. I also love that this helped with my skin as far as like the glowiness and eliminating or refining the look of pores on my skin. And again, I've been using these products for not over a month, but just about a month now. To me, this doesn't have much of a scent, not a fragrant scent. There is a scent there, but it's not too fragrant or too strong. It's very natural, so I don't personally mind the scent of this product. I'm obsessed with the Jihi Petal Milk Rejuvenating Face Serum. I have been using this for a month now, and I like to use it right after my toner. There is a little bit of a sticky residence right after using it, but again, just like the Fat Water, it goes away in 10 to 15 seconds and your skin is left feeling glowy. This is supposed to get into the fine lines and wrinkles. It has CBD oil and it also has hyaluronic acid and vitamins B3 and C, and I have noticed a difference in the elasticity of my skin when using this product and also the glow of my skin as well. I love this. So the Hydra Visor moisturizer is supposed to be hydrating. It also has SPF in it. As you can see in the video, I completely forgot the name of it, but that is because the name is actually on this I guess insert. So you have the capsule and you have an insert that you put inside of this, and that's how you get to use the pump, and it can twist up and twist down. I love how this works with the FENTY Skin system. I personally don't like how the applicator works in a sense. I think that sometimes it can fall out. I mean, right now it's not falling out, but if you have it up, it falls right out. And it can get a little frustrating sometimes because the pump might not work as good as it can. So I'm not really a fan of the functionality of this, but I do like the product. I do like the SPF, and I do like the glow on the skin and the hydrating effects of this product. The SPF is initially purple on the skin, but it does disappear after about 5 seconds, almost immediately. So it's not something that I personally will worry about because it looks really nice and natural on the skin. I also used the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. This is kind of like a for me. I don't see that it's doing anything miraculous, but I got this product in PR, so I'm still going to use it until it's finished. I personally like the what is that? It's like the banana eye cream or something. I can't remember what it's called, but this is okay for me. It doesn't really do much of anything. This also has tripeptide and hyaluronic acid. But one thing I can recommend is the Conti Liquid Gold Luxury Glow Oil. So the ingredients include baobab seed oil, 24 karat gold, and it says love and light on the packaging. Is really cute. I absolutely love the brand. It's Black woman owned, and I discovered it through Instagram and I bought it right away, and it's really nice on the skin. I use this as the last item to top off everything as far as my skincare goes. The 24 karat gold absorbs into the skin beautifully. The oil, it just sits beautifully on the skin, and even when you wake up, your oil is balanced. If you wake up and you're still glowing, and so you use this during the day or at night, and if you use it at night, you'll wake up in the morning and your skin is still glowing. And I personally love this product, and I'll continue to buy from them personally. I also have a link for them down below in the description box as well. But that pretty much wrapped up my Get Unready With Me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a little thing or two, or maybe this helped you make a decision whether you're going to invest in Fenty Skin or not, or maybe you're going to pick 1 or 2 items from the line. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.